Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute capybara. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw a large curve over to the left side. And then let's bring it down. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's add the first ear with a bump up. And then inside, let's add a curve down with a small bump up at the bottom. And then for the other ear, let's hop on top and let's draw another curve up. And then add a curve down inside. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's add the back of the head with a smaller curve down. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start inside on the top left and let's draw a large curve down. Then for the nose, we're going to hop in and let's draw a V-shaped point down on the left side. Bring it down. And two curves underneath for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw an oval for the eye. And add a circle inside on the top. And then color the rest of the eye in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left here and let's draw a curve down, stopping here. And then let's draw the first arm by drawing a curve down and bring it back up, leaving it open at the top. Now inside, let's add a curve across. And then two small curves at the bottom for the toes. Now let's draw another foot behind by adding a curve down and back up on the left. And again, two curves inside. Now we're going to hop back up to the top and we're going to draw the back leg with a large curve down to the bottom. And then let's bring it back in. And curve it back up. And again, let's add a curve inside. And two curves for the toes. Lastly, in between the feet, let's draw a line across for the bottom of the body. And that's it for this cute capybara. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!